Internal news publications. Signpost icon, showing a styles. Community-produced news publications include the Signpost. The Signpost, previously known as the Wikipedia Signpost, is the English Wikipedia's newspaper. It is managed by the Wikipedia community and is published online weekly. Each edition contains stories and articles related to the Wikipedia community. The publication was founded in January 2005 by Wikipedia administrator and later chair of the Wikimedia Foundation Board of Trustees, Michael Snow. Originally titled the Wikipedia Signpost, it was later shortened to the Signpost. The newspaper reports on Wikipedia events including arbitration committee rulings, Wikimedia Foundation issues, and other Wikipedia-related projects. Snow continued to contribute as a writer to the Signpost until his appointment to the Board of Trustees of the Wikimedia Foundation in February 2008.